curious duckling. Once upon a time, in a big shiny pond, there lived a little duckling named Dippy.
Wow, look at all these flowers. I wonder why they're so colorful.
Dippy wasn't like the other ducklings. Oh no, Dippy was curious. Dippy loved to explore everything.
Why is the sky blue? Where do the stars go in the daytime? What's on the other side of the pond?
These were the questions that filled Dippy's little head. One bright morning, as the sun peeked through the trees, Dippy's curiosity grew bigger than ever.
I'm gonna find out what's on the other side of the pond.
Mama Duck heard Dippy's plan.
Be careful, Dippy. Stay close to the pond and don't wander too far.
But Dippy was already waddling away, too eager to explore. The little duckling paddled through the water, past the tall reeds, and around the big sleepy turtles. The pond seemed bigger than ever.
What's that over there?
Dippy spotted something shiny on the shore.
It's a pebble. It's so smooth and round.
Dippy picks up the pebble and drops it in the water, watching it make a tiny splash.
That was fun.
But then Dippy heard a sound, a rustling in the bushes.
Who's there?
Out came a tiny green frog.
Hello, little duckling. You look like you're exploring.
Oh, you scared me. I'm Dippy. I'm exploring the other side of the pond. Have you been here before?
Yes, but be careful. There's a big fish that likes to play tricks on little ducklings like you.
Dippy's eyes widened. A big fish?
I'll be careful. Thanks for the warning.
As Dippy swam further, the water grew colder and the shadows even longer. Then suddenly, splash!
Hello there, little duckling. What brings you to my part of the pond?
I'm just exploring, but I think I should go back now.
Wise choice, little one. The pond is full of surprises, but some are best left for another day.
Dippy turned around and paddled as fast as his little legs could go. Past the sleepy turtles, around the tall reeds, and finally, back to Mama Duck's side.
Did you find what you were looking for, my curious little duckling?
Yes, Mama. And I learned that some things are better explored with a friend.
And from that day on, whenever Dippy felt curious, he always remembered to stay close to the ones who loved him, because adventures are fun, but they're even better when you're safe. The end.